Hey, it's Mark Weiss. Let's talk about UnitedHealth Group. It is August of 2023, and the U.S. Department of Labor has filed lawsuit against UnitedHealth Group, in particular one of their subsidiaries, an entity called UHR, which is a third-party administrator, claiming that they have failed to follow requirements under the Affordable Care Act by denying between 2015 and August 2015 and August 2018, 100% of all urine drug screenings. Yes, that's right, they denied 100%. Then, from 2018 to the present, they allowed some done in an emergency setting, but then changed its denial code on the rest so as to make things confusing as hell. Their explanation of benefits form didn't describe the reason for denial and didn't mention the entire required appeals process. Instead, all patients got was very limited information, and all apparently the providers got was, well, from nothing to very little. Subsequently, it turns out that on appeal, certainly those that were from 2018 forward, 98% of those denied claims were overturned on appeal. In other words, payment was required. Well, I don't want you to feel too bad about UnitedHealthcare's own internal operations, because this could have all been a mistake, because fortunately, just in the last year, we'll talk about 2022 versus 2021, UnitedHealth's gross revenues are up from $287 billion to $324 billion. And their earnings, their profits from operations, are up to $28.4 billion from a measly $24 billion. We know they can do some things right. If they can only pay you for your services, well, think how much better things would be.